Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to our EV channel. Today we are going to understand the common definitions as well as the specifications of an electric vehicle. These specifications remain same for an electric vehicle as well as for an battery electric vehicle as for an hybrid electric vehicle. So basically electric vehicle means it consists of a motor with an battery. Okay, so if it is made hybrid, then if it is a combination of petrol as well as electric vehicle, it is called hybrid electric vehicle. Electric vehicle is also called battery electric vehicle. For an electric vehicle or a battery electric vehicle or a hybrid electric vehicle, the specifications remain same. So you should be able to understand each individual specification. Based on that, the company will manufacture the electric vehicle based on the specifications. Okay, so this is how means if you buy a motor, for example, if you want to buy this induction motor, you should be able to know what is the speed of this motor, what is the current drawn by this motor, and how many wings it has, and how much area it has the sweep area. Similarly, for an electric vehicle, before you purchase, you should know the technical specifications. Those are called as specifications or of an electric vehicle. So coming to the first one, sir, how to define the current drawn by an electric vehicle, or what is the rating of the current? So current is nothing but, so every electric vehicle will have an system voltage. Okay, system voltage divided by the resistance of the battery. You can calculate the current drawn by the battery or the current drawn by the electric vehicle. Already you know that current is nothing but voltage of the system divided by the resistance offered by the system. For example, I want to develop a current of 1 ampere. The general definition is the voltage of the system is 1 volt. The resistance offered by the network is 1 ohm. Automatically it can draw a current of 1 ampere. Okay, but when you come to the practical, the system voltage may be approximately some 400 volts and the resistance offered may be some 4 ohms. Okay, then automatically how many amperes of current will flow? 100 amperes is the total current drawn by the electric vehicle while charging or whenever it is in action of motoring. That is all about the current. The units of ampere is nothing but I. Okay, or just you can write down, so the total current absorbed by the battery in terms of ampere. Okay, so actually this also will be specified with the manufacturer. Coming to the next one, what is meant by battery? Battery is nothing but, this is an chemical storage. For example, a battery, how to charge an electric, you have your mobile phone, how you can charge your mobile phone? So first we'll use the electrical energy. By using electrical energy, we'll try to store the electrical energy in an battery, and it will store the energy in which form? Chemical form. How to discharge a battery? So already some energy is available in chemical form, we'll try to discharge it and it will convert into electrical. So it's nothing but a cycling process. This way you can, is called as charging, this way is called discharging. One one charging and one discharge is called one cycle, is called as one cycle. So all the time your electric vehicle or your mobile, first will charge it. When you charge it, what will happen? Will convert electrical to chemical energy. So whenever it is fully charged, 100% is available, then what we will do? We will convert that chemical energy into electrical. That's how your mobile phone works. That's how your a battery works. Next one, sir, what is this battery in an electric vehicle? Already you know this, how this mobile phone has a battery, or electric vehicle also will has an battery, but there are some standards fixed by the governments. Okay, so that is called as federal regulation has been designed. What are the battery specifications? Okay, so generally for manufacturer, they told that you should manufacture the battery for an, at least for warranty, 8 years warranty you have to give, or 1 lakh miles. So why this miles has came into picture is the books what we are studying are all from foreign countries. They don't have kilometers, they measure it in terms of what? Miles. So therefore either the battery warranty has to be claimed in 8 years or 1 lakh miles. But how to convert these miles into our Indian is 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. So 1.6 into 1000, if you multiply, it is 1,60,953 kilometers. Okay, so the this federal regulation has framed some guidelines. If you sell an electric vehicle in India or foreign countries, either you have to give number of years as a warranty or this many number of kilometers as warranty. How many kilometers you have to give as the warranty? 1 lakh or 1,60,000 or 1,50,000 depending upon the cost. and the model. Okay, so coming to here, sir, how the warranty can be claimed by the customer. Okay, for example, he buys the electric vehicle, so the manufacturer is giving either 8 years warranty or 1,60,000 kilometers as warranty. Sir, how to calculate it? For example, you buy the electric vehicle and you have been driven only 1 lakh kilometers. How many kilometers? 1 lakh kilometers for 2 years, and in the third year what happened is you have been completed 1 lakh 60,935. So in 3 years, how many kilometers you have been traveled? Complete whatever the guarantee provided by the manufacturer, you had already completed. So these are already reached. Automatically, what will happen? Your warranty will become void. I mean, there is no warranty after this. Okay, that is one way. Okay, second way is for example, still you are running only with 50,000 kilometers in 8th year also. In 8th year also, how many kilometers you have been driven? Only 50,000 kilometers, but we have not used the vehicle for longer time. But already what has been reached? 8 years has been reached. Then automatically the warranty becomes zero or invalid. So how to calculate the warranties? Either whatever comes first, the warranty will be taken decision by the manufacturer. Okay, so for example, I think you are able to understand. Okay, so if you complete this number of kilometer, automatically your warranty is completed. If you are not traveling for a longer distance, you complete the period, 8 years period, automatically your warranty will come void. Okay, so this is how the federal regulations has claimed how to offer the warranty for an electric vehicle. So similarly for other also, other 450X, we have 5 years warranty as well as 50,000 kilometers. How many kilometers? 50,000 kilometers. For example, in the first year, you have been completed 50,000 kilometers. There is no warranty for the electric vehicle. What? And you have been using the electric vehicle for how many years? 5 years, and you're still running only with 10,000 kilometers. So automatically 5 years has came earlier, automatically the warranty becomes zero. Are you able to understand? So either number of kilometers is coming first, that will be considered, or number of years are coming first, that will be considered. So these are developed, or these guidelines are developed by federal regulation. We have BW and we have this electric vehicle safety department. They will take care about how many years a electric vehicle warranty should be given in terms of number of years or in terms of number of kilometers. So this is called as the life or an warranty of an electric vehicle. Okay, so coming to the next one, already everyone knows this technology, lithium ion battery. So this is the one of the battery used in EV market as well as in your mobile phone as well as in the laptops. So why this lithium ion battery is used is this lithium ion battery supports fast charging. We can charge your electric vehicle by using our fast charger in only 80%. We can reach our state of charge in only 30 minutes. We can make our electric vehicle 100% charge only in how many minutes? 30 minutes. That capability of high energy density is available only for lithium ion battery. So at one time we will discuss about different varieties of batteries. So there are some lead based batteries, or there are some iron based batteries which cannot explode. So they are nothing but fire exhaustible. Okay, so these sort of batteries are also already available where they cannot catch the fire at any cost. So this will catch the fire, but still why the manufacturers are using is they require fast charging. So if you design a normal lead acid battery and it is taking 12 hours to charge, no one will buy an electric vehicle. So customer will buy only electric vehicle only it's supposed to technology of what? Fast charging, and within 30 minutes your electric vehicle also will become full. So that's what this level 1 charging, level 2 and level 3 charging methods. Okay, so we have to charge your electric vehicle as soon as possible, as fast as possible. Then when the manufacturers are ready to manufacture those vehicles, then when the customers will buy those kind of vehicles. So that is called as the type of battery used in an, for time being you understand what battery, you know that is nothing but lithium ion battery. Whenever this concept comes, we'll go in detail. So that is all about, first one is current of an electric vehicle, next one battery of an electric vehicle, and lithium ion battery of an electric vehicle. So in this battery, whichever comes first. Okay, so how the manufacturer, for example, when you buy an electric vehicle, the showroom will say, sir, here 50,000 is covered and 5 years is covered. If you ask him a question, how to cover this warranty, they will not explain, they don't know. So we wish we have to have a clarity while you buy an electric vehicle. For 5 years, for example, you have been traveled 60,000 kilometers, automatic what will happen? warranty has completed in 1 year only, and you're not using electric vehicle for how many years? 5 years. Automatically warranty will become 0. So what is the purpose of an electric vehicle is you should buy the electric vehicle and you have to use it. If you use only, then excellently you can cover your warranty. And if you think that I'm a heavy user, I buy the electric vehicle, if you travel 50,000 kilometers in less than 1 year, automatically warranty will become 0. So this electric vehicle is designed only for unplanned customers, especially now in India. So why? Because we have a long highways. Still, all these highways are not having EV stations. So how to have a now the electric vehicle? Those who are buying is they travel from a fixed position to X position to Y position, maximum restricted to 300 kilometers. So that's why these latest vehicles are coming with minimum 110 or 120 kilometers per single charge. Next one, coming to the charging. So what is meant by charging of an electric vehicle? So charging is nothing but the process of filling or the process of replenishing an empty battery to full battery is called charging. What is meant by charging? I think you know well. Why? Because already you are using mobile phone. What is meant by charging? Charging is the process of filling a battery from which percentage to which percentage? 0% to 100%, where this 100 or 0% is called state of charge of a battery. What is meant by state of charge of a battery? State of charge of a battery is nothing but the percentage amount of charging available in an electric vehicle. Sir, what is this state of charge is indicated is this is indicated in percentage. If you take an battery, so the UI it will indicate on the screen is so you have 80% of the battery and 20% is already consumed. This 80% of the battery is called as state of charge. Okay, how much amount of charging is available in a battery is called state of charge. How much amount of energy is already consumed by a battery is called as depth of discharge. If you add state of charge plus depth of discharge, that will be equal to 100%. 80% plus 20% is equal to 100%. This is how. So this SOC you can see in your mobile phone also. At the top, a battery symbol will be there and it will indicate what? Percentage. So that percentage is called as what? The state of charge. I mean, what is the state of your battery and how much amount of charging is available? Already you know that current I is equal to Q by T. How to write down the current charge? It's nothing but Q is equal to I into T. How this can be written as ampere hour. So the rating of a battery is what? Ampere hour. This is nothing but, that's why it is called the state or amount of charging available in an battery in terms of what is the rating? AH, where AH is called as charge. That's why it is called the rate of charge. Are you able to understand? Charging. What is meant by charging? Q is equal to I into T. What is the rating of a battery? Ampere hour. Or it may be expressed in terms of volt ampere hour, which is also called watt hour. Both ways we can express the rating of an battery. So coming to the charging. So this is what the meaning of an charging. You can charge your electric vehicle at your home, or you can charge your electric vehicle in shopping malls, or you can charge your electric vehicle at an nearby charging stations. Now coming to the first one, level 1 charging.